Human skeleton remains found in bushes in Yorktown, Clarendon. Guns, over 100 rounds of ammo seized by Anova police. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Four Parts Police in Clarendon are trying to ascertain the identities of two persons whose skeleton remains were found in bushes in the Yorktown community on Sunday. A post-mortem is to be conducted. It is reported that about 11:40 a.m., a resident stumbled upon the remains in the bushes. The police were alerted and the scene was processed. The Anova police seized one Glock 19 pistol, two 9mm cartridges, 122 5.56 cartridges, 5 Glock magazines, and two 5.56 magazines during an operation in Gravel Lane, Hopewell in the parish on Sunday, April 21st. Reports are that about 8:45 a.m., lawmen carried out a search at a premises in the area, however nothing was found. A further search was conducted at the back of the premises on an open lot where a knapsack was found with the items. The man occupying the premises was arrested and taken into custody pending further investigations.